Welcome. This week's Vayu flow is intended to undo some of the heat that you build during a more vigorous practice through one of the Agni or power flows. When you are ready, we'll begin lying onto the back. Begin by lying on your back with the soles of your feet together and the knees split out to the sides. Let your hands rest onto your belly and take a handful of breaths. Create some space for yourself. Extend your legs straight out. And then begin to cross the right ankle and foot over top of the left thigh for a figure 4 stretch. Focus on drawing the right knee down to the earth. And then begin to slowly re-extend right leg, and crossing the left foot, ankle over top of the right thigh. Keep both knees bent and allow for them to fall to the left side for a gentle supine twist. Right foot may rest onto the left knee. And if you would like, the right leg can extend straight out. Come back through center, and then switch your sides. Left foot rests on top of the right knee. I'm just going to inhale to slowly bring you back through center. And fold your legs up however tightly or loosely you'd like, with either leg on top. Adding a little gentle hip stretch here. And then switch your legs. Begin to plant your feet, point the knees upwards. Press into your hands and your feet. And gently lift the hips and lower them. Keep your gaze and your neck in neutral, never looking from side to side, and to protect the cervical portion of the spine here. And only lift the hips to the degree that is comfortable, never trying to push beyond. always continue to squeeze the knees together as you do this. And then on the very last one, walk the shoulders in, clasp the hands together for a little gentle bridge. You might also use the addition of a block underneath the hips if you'd so like. Just to take the effort out of the back bend here. You can keep the head in neutral and gently guide the hips down. Now slightly pull the knees in, holding onto each knee with each hand. And then guide them in a little deeper. A little gentle rocking side to side. Begin to extend the soles of the feet towards the ceiling or the sky. Keeping the knees bent for a Nanda Balasana Happy Baby. And continue gently rocking side to side. Feet press into hands as you draw the hands towards the feet. Make sure that there is space behind you. Move to the top of the mat if you need. Use the core to help rock you up onto the shoulders, simultaneously drawing the elbows together and bringing the hands to the lower back for some support. Hip stack over top of the rib cage, and feet on top of that. Head and neck are in neutral. Remembering not to move the head from side to side to protect the neck. Slowly begin alternating legs, dropping one toe behind you, and then bringing back to center. And maybe doing both at the same time for plow posture if you feel comfortable. Remember to follow your breath, keeping it steady and even. Support the hips as you draw the knees back up through neutral. Lower down one vertebra at a time. Being very gentle. And place the soles of the feet onto the earth. And create some space between the shoulders again. Let your knees windshield wiper from side to side, letting one fall open as the other falls to the middle. Begin to walk the forearms and the hands underneath your seat, drawing the shoulders closer in together. Extend your legs straight out. Point through the toes. Continue to lift the heart as you rock onto the crown of the head for Matsyasana, fish pose. Only lift the heart and rock onto the crown of the head to the degree that feels comfortable in your body, never moving beyond that. And guide the chin back into the chest to protect it. And slowly lift the hips up off of the hands. Cross right ankle over top of left thigh and let the foot and knee fall open to the left side. Continue to press the right knee up into the air and ankle against the knee. Move into a traditional twist if you feel. Otherwise, you can stay exactly where you were. And come back through center and switch your sides. Left ankle over top of the right thigh, leaving them attached as they fall to the right side. Left knee continues to press open, stretching the hips out. finally making your way into a full twist. Return to your back and let your feet extend straight out. This will conclude today's Vayu practice. If you feel compelled, you can add a few additional postures if you'd like. Otherwise, this is a great place for Savasana. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please feel free to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And leave any comments for future flows you'd like to see. Namaste.